Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, I am going to show you how we can create a global temporary view in Spark SQL. Let me discuss something about this global temporary view. This global temporary view will be available throughout the session. This is not restricted to a particular session. If we have created a global temporary view in one notebook, we can access that temporary global view in other notebook as well. If we are going to attaching and detaching of a notebook with our running cluster, it will going to create a new session, but this global view will also be available in that use case also, because this global view is not restricted to a particular session. It is available till our cluster is running. So how we are going to create this global view? First, we just create a temporary table. Just create a table. Sorry, with the help of a create table command. This is the name of the table. These are the schema. I have defined 6 columns and its data types. And how this table is data will going to populate. It will going to populate using CSV. And this is the CSV file. The data which is present in the CSV will be available in this table. And how we are going to write it? We are going to write it with the help of an overwrite mode. Means each time this table will going to create the data which is present in this CSV file will going to replace the data which is present in this table. Once this table gets created, we are creating a global view with the help of a create or replace global temporary view. Here we are just giving the a view name. How we are going to create this view? We are going to create this view by taking all the data which is present in this table. Once this global temporary view gets created, we will do a select statement. But we need to keep in mind that all the global temporary views available in this global temp database. That's why whenever we are going to access the global temporary view, we have to put this global temp database first and then name of the global view whenever we are going to access. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this code. We have done this in the previous exercise, and I will show you how to create a global temporary view and how we can access the global temporary view. Let's go to the Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name the notebook as global temp view. Let's attach this notebook with our running cluster. Let me copy this code. This code will going to create a table with the help of a CSV file. Just rename it. For global temporary view and just run it. This table has been created successfully. The data will be present in this table, all the records which is present in this CSV file, because we have created this table by using this CSV file. So all the data will be available during the creation of this table. Let's do a select. So it has a 5 records and 6 columns. Let me create a view. So how we are going to create it? Create or replace global temporary view as by selecting all the data from. Let's do a name of the view. Here it is AP global view. by selecting all the data from this table. Let me format it. It has been formatted successfully. This global, no, it's GLOB, it was a typo, now it is good. So with the help of a create or replace global temporary view by providing a temporary view and creating a global temporary view by selecting all the records which is present in this table. Let's run it. Now let's do a select statement here. Select star from this view. Okay, so it is not accessible. To access the global view, what we need to do, we have to put this global underscore temp schema first and then run it. Now it is accessible. So first we have to give this global temp schema name. So it has a 5 records and 6 columns. Now let's see, is it available in another notebook? Let's open this notebook, that is the analysis notebook. Let me copy this select statement and try to access in this notebook. This is the new notebook. That means separate session it has been created. But this global notebook is available in the different session as well. That's why here we can able to access this global view, because this is the global view. It is available throughout the session, or you can see multiple session. Let's do another creation of a different session. First, let's detach this notebook with this cluster and now attach it. Now again let's run, do this select statement, try to access this global view. So see, it is available here. So in this video we have seen how can we create a global view with the help of a table. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.